These are some of the antique firearms that are regularly displayed at the Penrith Arms Fair. The top firearm is a brown bess musket. The one in the middle is a short pattern or cut down musket, and a blunderbuss at the bottom. All these firearms are representative of what was used in the colonies of Australia during the colonial days. That are related to the British military and colonial police. We have 3 flintlock pistols. Top one is the 1796 pattern light dragoon pistol with a tower lock. The one in the middle is a India pattern 1796 dragoon pistol with a lock dated 1811 and a lion on the lock. And the lower one is the New Land pattern tower flintlock pistol. Moving on to 2 police firearms. The top one is a Callaghan Terry carbine used by New South Wales police in the 1860s, and the lower one is a carbine used by the Victoria police in the 1850s. And they're accompanied by 2 swords, police swords. Top one is the 1853 pattern light cavalry sword used by New South Wales police, and the lower one is an 1821 pattern light cavalry sword used by the Victoria police. Next we have 3 pistols. The top one is a 1853 pattern single shot percussion pistol, commonly called the Coast Guard pistol, which was issued to the mounted patrols in New South Wales in the 1850s. The middle revolver is a New South Wales police issue Colt Navy revolver, made in 1862 and used by the New South Wales police in the 1860s and on issue to Penrith police in the 1870s and also in the 1860s. And the lower one is a Beaumont Adams revolver, War Department marked, and used by the Victoria police in the Stawell Police District in the 1860s. All of these firearms are regularly displayed at the Penrith Arms Fair, which are held at Penrith Panthers on Magoa Road.